Jonas is visiting me in the greenhouse here. This is the father of the kitten I have, Jones. This is his dad. He looks just like you. Just as friendly too, eh? Yeah. So I gave him some food in here. And he's quite happy in here. I don't know if he wants to leave at all. I think you're quite happy in the greenhouse here, aren't you? So I haven't seen Joan in a long time. I think it's been 3 weeks now since I've seen her. But I'm sure she'll return one day. Or do you want to go outside again? Let's see if he wants to go outside. You want to go outside again? Okay, bye-bye. What do you think? Is it okay out there? No, you want to come back in. Okay. It's warmer in here, isn't it? Yeah. It has been snowing the entire day today, and tomorrow we have heavy snowfall warnings, so we should get quite a bit of snow overnight and a lot tomorrow. So we'll see what it looks like in the backyard at the end of tomorrow. It is the next day now, and we did get a lot of snow. I'll show you what it looks like outside here. There's the truck. So there's the Matrix. I may have to clean the windshield off to drive it. Over here is the Nissan Cube. It's pretty well buried too. The Fiat was cleaned off yesterday. It's just piled high with snow. So I spent most of the morning shoveling the driveway and sidewalks. I had to do it like 4 times. Yeah, it was a lot of work. And the snow's really piling up now. Yeah, so there's the cars. They are buried. I don't think you can tell that's a Matrix, except there's a little bit of the mirror sticking out here, and that's about all you can see of the car. It is completely buried. And the truck, it's pretty well buried too. Yeah, you can see a little bit on the bottom of it, but yeah, it's got a lot of snow on it. Lots of icicles off the plant room. The backyard's looking very white. Yeah, we got a lot of snow. You can see it on all the benches. It's just piled high. Yeah. So underneath the benches you can see the ground. And I'm standing, quite high above the ground on the snow. Yeah, look at these back benches. They're just almost totally filled in. The trees got snow on them. It's still snowing lightly, but it should stop fairly soon. I've had to clear off the polyhouse roof about 5 times. It just keeps snowing. And you can see how high up I am now. There's the ground way down there. Yeah, look at the snow on the cedars. Amazing. Yeah, so when spring does come, there's going to be a lot of melting snow. I did have the roof of the shed all cleaned off, but it's full of snow once again. The birdhouse back here, it has a lot of snow on it. Look at that. I've never seen it look like that before. Yeah. Yeah, winter wonderland. And it's supposed to get quite cold tomorrow, down to -17. So winter is definitely continuing here. No spring in sight yet. Yesterday we also cleared the Porsche garage off, and it's full of snow again. It's still snowing. There's Joe down there. It's a little warmer in the greenhouse here. We do have a day above freezing coming in March. That's the first day that it'll be above freezing, and it's the first day in about 2 months that we've been above freezing. So hopefully that'll come. Then maybe I'll get spring fever, but at the moment it's just still full winter here.